Welcome back to Music with Mr. Lipson. Very happy to see you again, and we're ready for our next music lesson. As you can tell, I'm very cold. It is the dead of winter. Got my hat, got my scarf, got a nice little hoodie and a shirt beneath that. Today's music lesson actually is inspired from TikTok. Let me explain. So one time I was on TikTok and I found this person who drew these circles on a piece of paper, and he was using his pencil to go through the different types of beats, and depending on how many circles he drew in a single row was how fast that beat was in that measure. And it was so cool because he completely composed it, and he did it with both hands and created some kind of crazy effect where he was doing it with two different patterns in different hands.
For this activity, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil or a pen, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw 7 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 horizontal lines, and this is optional. You can draw 1 line vertical. We'll get to the vertical part in a second. And on each line down here is going to be a different beat within the measure of a song. So if I want to draw 1 circle, that's going to be 1 beat. So I'm going to draw 1 circle there. But if in this line, in the second line above, I'm going to draw 2 tiny circles. That's going to be 2 different beats. We'll go over what the names of these beats are. And this one. So this one is only going to be 1 beat. 2 of these equal 1 beat. Remember, every single box equals 1 beat. So in this box, why don't I just do something easy? I'm going to draw 1 right there. I'm going to get really interesting here. I'm going to draw 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw 1 right here. I'm going to draw 2 right here. I'm going to draw single circles right here. So all of a sudden, I have these different types of beats that I can perform with a song. You're going to create some kind of pattern using 8 different boxes from the bottom to the top and repeat them. And you're going to tap your pencil or a stick inside of the circle for every beat. You don't want to go over anything that is 1, 2, 3, or 4. You don't want to put more than 4 beats into a box right now. It's going to make it very difficult to play that beat in a song. Now in our left hand, what if we did this? On this part, I'm going to write left hand. So now we have a left hand part and we have a right hand part. So now we have a challenge. So in the left hand, we're going to start off easy. I'm just going to make it easy. In the left hand, I'm going to draw circles. Just single circles. I'll make it really interesting. At the end here, I'm going to draw double circles like that. Okay, here's my performance for you on this project. Notice how I included a right hand and a left hand part. If you can use a right hand and a left hand on your project, that would be so cool, and to combine it with the beats. Now here's the challenge though. You're focusing on playing these circles correctly to the beat. If you're going to be focusing on single circles, they are with the beat. If you focus on double circles, notice how I'm snapping to the beat, but these get twice the speed. And our most fun, the quadruple circle, the 4 circles, notice how these get 4 times the speed of the snaps. If you're going to include in your project quadruple circles with the 4 circles, you have to make sure that your rhythms are accurate and that you can fit 4 of them into one single snap or one single beat. So in the right hand we have in the left hand we have okay, so we're gonna see if we can combine both of them. Let's see if it happens when I combine both of them. Watch. One, two, three, go. This week, you're going to create 8 different boxes from the bottom to the top and label each one from beats and circles in each box. Each box should have between 1 to 4 beats. Now, here's the thing. Don't make it too crazy for yourself or something that's going to be too difficult for yourself. At the very least, you're going to use 8 boxes. You don't have to do the left hand and the right hand like I do. It is a challenge if you want to try to do both hands and give yourself the challenge on it. But what you're going to do is you're going to do that and you're going to find your favorite song and make sure your favorite song is in beats of 4, not grouped into 3s, or it's going to really mess up your pattern. And you're going to perform your song with your beats. So enjoy this assignment. It should be fun. It should allow you to be creative, and I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of rhythms you're coming up with on your favorite song.